time for dinner. Mom,
coming, dear.
time for dinner.
All right, wontons.
Wonton soup. Today, I'm bringing you the very famous Chinese recipe, wonton. Making the filling is the key of the wonton. I recommend the pork with Chinese chives. The recipe have many names. You can call the recipe wonton, chao and wonton. China is a very huge country. Different area have a different name. Stir the meat with all the ingredients. Add the ginger and green onion water into the meat. Stir until the meat look very sticky. The goal is to get the beautiful texture. You can choose other meat and other ingredients. I love beef with a cut corn. I'm showing the different way to fold. The trunk one. The water look like a grease to make this wrapper and filling together. This is a square way. It look like a lovely little boat. The trunk one is the easiest one, so I show you in different angle. What you should do is keep the filling into the wrapper. Don't leak the filling. Put the wontons into the boiling water. When all the wontons are floating, done. A little bit of oil and a cup of water to make the fried wonton. When the water is gone, the brown color show up. Kelseys Galley's homemade chili sauce is fit for the wonton soup. Seaweed. A little bit of noodle. In the cold winter, how about the wonton noodle? It can to warm your soul, not only the body. Juicy inside, crisps outside. The rest of our wonton can be kept it in the freezer. When all the wonton get hard, you can put it into the bag. I often treat my friends using the wonton. Thank you for watching. I'm Jen Kelsey. See you next time.